Application here is critical. You must know exactly where you want your trim line placed. If it is tight to the handle, you may want to place the tape partially on the door panel and partially on the handle or plastic areas, depending if you have any room to tuck excess vinyl after the trim. You will run your tape in one piece. Remember what direction you applied the tape because you will remove in the opposite direction. It is very important here to make sure the tape is down firmly and that the graphic is pressed firmly onto the tape. If the graphic is not tight to the tape, it may create a jagged trim line or may not trim where you want it to. We store our excess tape on the handle. You can use a small piece of masking tape to hold your excess material in place before you apply your graphic to avoid cutting the tape when cutting the vinyl to access the tape. When using the tape in very tight quarters, such as around door handles, start your filament cut on the tape before you apply your graphic. Always leave 3 to 5 inches of tape at either end. Be sure to apply the tape firmly to all surfaces of the vehicle by pressing your fingers along the entire length of the tape. Once the vinyl is in place, be sure it is pressed firmly over any tape to ensure a clean cut. Use the filament to cut the vinyl by pulling at a 30 to 45 degree angle, and then remove any excess vinyl. Be sure to remove both pieces of tape left behind after the filament has been used. If you require more than one piece of tape for a section of vinyl, keep track of the order you apply them. You should remove them in the reverse order to avoid crossing filaments. Therefore, the last tape applied will be the first filament pulled.